Okay, so if you couldn't tell already, I'm gonna buy another car.
What kind of car?
And what kind of car?
Yep.
A cool car.
A cool car, huh? That's all we get?
Very cool.
That's all we get?
That's all you get.
Oh man.
You'll see it later.
What color is it?
Orange? Yeah, it's gonna get spooky.
Okay, it's spooky season.
Hour 25.
Hour 25.
I don't like it.
Are you excited?
I don't like it.
Are you excited though?
Yes. So reason being why those wheels are back there is because the wheels on the car now suck monkey ass and I don't want them. So I brought my own wheels and then that's it. It should look cool because these are the same wheels that I have on my FC now. So I don't know. Yeah, I kind of gave it away, didn't it? Fuck.
Sponsored by Pringles.
Thanks Pringles for the sponsorship.
Turn left, then the destination is on your right. Arrived.
Oh really? I mean, it's not bad.
It's fine.
Oh. Maybe, but I don't think so.
Yeah, look like he's gonna be. Is it a dip? Oh no.
Yeah, no. That looks funny. What are your thoughts?
What are my thoughts? I don't know. I thought it was gonna work. Oh, whales.
Oh my god.
Okay, so this is now my new FC, and I'll explain more what I'm gonna do with it once I get home. Now I'm just gonna fill it up, and then yeah, that's it. Oh well, I don't know what else to tell you. Whoever saw this coming, good for you. Whoever didn't see this coming, hope you're surprised. Whatever. I don't know how to talk to people on YouTube, so whatever.